So we are going to continue with the concept scheme of partial integration, wherein in the previous session we have completed up to illustration 1 and illustration 2, and you kept the heading scheme of partial integration, correct? Let us now understand what is the scheme of partial integration. Once covered, then we will be going into the next part. See, there are some conditions to apply scheme of partial integration. So in order to have scheme of partial integration, some conditions must be cumulatively satisfied. When I say cumulatively satisfied, all must be satisfied, not any one of them. Understood or not? All conditions must be satisfied. Then only we call it cumulative satisfaction of all the conditions. Okay? So let's have a clarity now. So first one, scheme of partial integration to apply, some conditions are required to be satisfied. Number one, assessee must be either a individual or a HUF or a AOP or a BOI or a HAP, or in other way around, assessee should not be company, firm, LLP, cooperative society, trust, etc. It should not be any of these. Either understand like this or understand like this. But easy way to understand is what? Slab rate batch, flat rate batch. Understood the point or not? Slab rate batch, flat rate batch. And in simple sense, assessees falling under slab rate structure will have SOPI applicability. Assessees to whom slab rate does not apply, any 1 rupee also flat rates are applicable, already you are tortured well. Therefore again government don't want it to torture on agricultural income, they will leave you. Logic is simple, na? Naturally government will think like that. Since I am already doing a torture to you from the day on which you are born, so I am leaving you now. Agricultural income, I don't torture you much. Already normal individuals, HUF, AOP, BOI and HAPs are taking basic exemption limit 2,50,000 benefit, slab rate benefit, already rebate benefit. You remember rebate concept? New people, pardon, there is one concept called as a rebate. What is the concept? Rebate is like a discount. Means if your tax amount is 12,500, repeat, if your tax amount is 0 tax you need to pay. 12,500, 12,500 rebate will come. Maximum rebate allowed is 12,500. Are you understanding or not? For example, my income is there. Now everyone use your mind and tell, my total income is 5 lakh. My total income is? You tell 0 to 5 lakh? Sorry, 0 to 2,50,000? Tax or no tax? No tax. Okay. 250 to 5 lakh? 5%. My income is how much? Loudly. 5 lakh. 5 lakh into 5 lakh into 5%? Sorry, 5 lakh, so 2,50,000 into 5%? Loudly. Then 12,500 you can take as a rebate. 0 rupee tax you need to pay. So did you understand what I said? And what is the logic here? One side you are taking slab benefit. One side you are taking rebate benefit. One side you are taking basic exemption with benefit. Again you will bifurcate agriculture income and claim exemption on agriculture income means it's not correct from the government point of view also. Correct or not? Therefore what they thought, in most of the cases, non-agriculture income is diverted, siphoned, and they are showing as if it is agricultural income. Therefore, Government of India was very serious about this issue and they brought a concept called as a scheme of partial integration. Okay? I gave one example to you, if I remember. Scheme of partial integration, first part of the classes. A brother and sister example I gave you. If you remember, one fellow go to movie, I gave example, na? To your batch only. Last batch I gave you a different example. I gave example in your batch only. Previous exhibition example I have given because I don't repeat examples. So in your batch only I told this example. Sir, others also please listen then, because the new batch also there, na, they should understand the impact of SOPI in a proper way. Okay? See here. Listen carefully. What I explained to them before, I am repeating one more time. New batch also join, na, for them also it will be useful. Please see the screen once. What happens is, there is a Anna. Who is that Anna? Hey, who is that Anna in the class at that time? You are the Anna at that time. Name? Perunna? Honest Krishna. What is it? Anish. AK na? Okay. Hey, honest Krishna. See here. Hey, listen, yeah. Don't drag him. Now I am going to do. See here. AK is there. Hey, listen. AK's sister is also there. Okay? Younger one. Sir, let us understand one point. AK has a habit of going to night shows. I am talking about Cinema Muttal. So, see here. Second show will be there, na? He is having a habit of going every day. Every day, 7 days in a week. Okay? Like Bhagavata Mahasaptaham, for all the 7 days he will go. He will not leave the movie any day. Either repeated or non-repeated, he have a habit of going to movie every single day. AK's father was upset because of his worst behavior. What his dad used to do? He used to beat him with a leather belt. But this fellow was accustomed to that. How he was accustomed to the tradition, 1 or 2 days if his dad forget to beat him, he only go with a leather belt. Appa, you forgot to beat me yesterday, today, club both of them. Last year, this year, both club and beat me. 4 beatings every day. Whenever he go to movie, every night, morning his father used to give 4 belt shots. Okay? 4 every day. It's a tradition. 4. East, west, north, south, 4. Okay, he used to give all sides coating 4 times. Initially, he used to cry. After that, he used to enjoy. Because it became a tradition at home. This is situation. One day, Coolie movie is getting released. So what happened? This fellow is having a huge craze towards the movie. And same with the sister. Who will not have, everyone in India will have the craze to watch the movie on that day. So now what happened? Let me explain. AK's sister came to AK. She said, Anna, I will also come with you. He said, Dad will kill you, kill me. 2 dead bodies will go that day. No, I will watch and come. You silently sit at home and study. She said, Anna, I got first rank. See your rank where you are. I am okay with my studies. One time if I watch a movie, nothing will happen. Second show, I will also come with you. AK said that, no, please don't come. Dad will kill you. He may not do anything to you, but he will definitely kill me. So, AK said to his sister not to come. She insisted. And finally, AK said that, sir, okay, we will do one thing. Let me give a projection as if we are sleeping. Okay, switch off. Okay, set the pillow, bed, everything, such that dad should think that we are sleeping. Sir, okay. Lights off around 9:45, 10 o'clock. Parents also went inside. Immediately, these 2 people jumped the compound wall, silently went to the movie. Morning, dad came to know about this. He became furious. Immediately, Listening, everyone? Immediately, what this dad has done, he was extremely furious and he said that you are already a spoiled brat. You are also spoiling the younger girl child. Such a nonsense idiot you are. You are not a honest Krishna, you are a dangerous Krishna. So such a dangerous fellow you are spoiling girl child. Immediately, that day, 12 beatings. He shouted like anything. Okay? Are you understanding or not? Then you sing Monica, Monica. Then his dad said, now you sing. Full songs will come if I beat. He kept that song in full volume. He had 12 beatings like anything. Football. Leg, hand, belt. Leg, hand, belt. And now listen carefully. Hey, listen. Normally, listen here. Normally, if AK goes to the movie, how many beatings? 4 beatings. It's like a convention that was followed. Now, presence of his sister made dad more furious to beat him. Correct or not? 12 beatings came. He did not beat even a single beating to the sister. He just said, warn, never go with him again. Okay, he's a very dangerous fellow. So don't accompany him. You will also get spoiled. He's already done. Like that he warned and left the girl child. General, it's a tradition. People won't beat girl child. Now who will beat? No one will beat. So he also said, okay, warned and left. Now you tell me, previously and presence of sister. Tell me, normally how many beatings AK will get? 4 to 5 beatings. Normal tradition. Now sister came. Are you listening? Now sister came into picture. Now sister was beating. No, he did beat even a single shot on the sister. Her coating, his coating, and all other aspects added to that. Full coating to whom? AK. Now tell me, previously, who used to get the beating? AK. Now also who is getting the beating? AK. But presence of sister magnified the fury of that particular intention of his father. Correct or not? Same situation government of India also think. See here, I will give example now. AK is the, or AK's sister is the I. Means what? Agricultural income. AK is Nai. Hey, non-agricultural income, yeah. Who is AK? Nai. Nai represents what? Loudly answer. I? Agricultural income. Now tell me. Answer here. Normally, which will get, and dad is the central government. Belt shots are the tax. Previously, who used to get the shot? Non-agriculture income used to get. That means who will get the shots always? Naye will get the shots. Okay. Now also Nai is only getting shots. But presence of agricultural income has magnified the rate at which non-agricultural income is getting taxed. Did you understand the example clearly? Now start again, tell me. Non-agricultural income, agricultural income. Okay. I have only agricultural income. Taxed or not taxed? Loudly. Very good. I have only non-agricultural income. Taxed or not taxed? Answer. I have both what and what? Non-agricultural and agricultural income. Both are there. Both are there. Now also who is getting taxed? Agricultural income is not taxed even now. But the rate at which non-agricultural income is getting taxed will get enhanced. Understood the point or not? Previously, who used to get the belt shots? AK. Now also, who is getting belt shots? Same AK. Presence of sister increased the magnitude of belt shots. Understood the point or not? So, you are getting spoiled. You are also spoiling a girl child. Left, right. So, same government is also thinking. Agriculture income is there. No tax. Non-agriculture income is there, tax. Agriculture income is there along with non-agricultural income. Gone. Are you understanding the point or not? Now tell me here, who is the sister? Who is the brother? Normally who used to get beating? Now also who is getting beating? Without sister, what is the beating situation of non-agriculture income? No, moderate beating. But presence of sister increased, enhanced the beating style. Are you understanding? Previously belt, after that hand leg belt, hand leg belt, hand leg belt 4 times. Do you understand? Government also is thinking in the same way. So therefore understand clearly, whenever agricultural income is present along with the non-agricultural income, rate at which non-agricultural income is taxed will get enhanced. How that enhancement will happen is the subject matter of discussion inside the concept of scheme of partial integration. Let us try to understand it clearly. Read. What are all the, there are 3 basic conditions. Okay, na? Tell me. To apply scheme of partial integration, assessee must be whom? And assessee must be taxpayer. Right, taxpayer antene assessee. Start again. Start again. Assessee must be whom? Individual, HUF, AOP, BOI, AJP. If I am a company, firm, LLP, cooperative society, trust, in that case, will this get applied to me? No. Next. Taxpayer and assessee has NI. Non-agricultural income, I know. Continue. He has NI more than basic exemption limit. Now tell me, what is the basic exemption limit? No. It depends on the tax regime you are selecting. Under the alternate tax regime, irrespective of age, what is the basic exemption limit? Please tell me, what do you mean by 3 lakh? What is this 3 lakh? No, I will tell the statement, understand properly. 3 lakh is maximum income not chargeable to tax. Tell me, what is it? Maximum income not chargeable to tax. Repeat again. Maximum income not chargeable to tax. Means, up to what extent maximum no tax? 3 lakh. If you choose regular tax regime, alternate tax regime? Alternate. No, sir, I will go by regular tax regime. Then come here. Here, maximum amount not chargeable to tax, also called as a basic exemption limit, depends on the age limit. I am within 60 years, 2,50,000. Beyond 60 but within 80, 3 lakh. Beyond 80, 5 lakh rupees is the basic exemption limit. Are you listening? Start. Tell me. Taxpayer has a non-agricultural income. Everyone, taxpayer has a non-agricultural income. Start again. Taxpayer has a non-agricultural income of more than? Ante it should be 5 lakh, more than, let us see this particular area, regular regime. Listening? My age is 32. Tell about me. For me, you tell my age is 32. Okay? For me, you tell the answer. If my age is 32, what will happen? I will come under senior citizen. What category I will come? That's it. Other cases. What extent is not taxable? Loudly, 2,50,000 up to that particular limit, it is taxable or not taxable? Loudly? Not taxable. Okay. Now tell me. Means my non-agricultural income should be more than? Not answering. My non-agricultural income should be more than? Common sense, na? If it is within basic exemption limit, what will happen? My non-agricultural income is 2 lakh. My non-agricultural income is 2 lakh. Non-agricultural income is 2 lakh means first taxable or not taxable? Then not taxable, why you are applying any scheme of partial integration? Understood or not? So my non-agricultural income is more than basic exemption limit. What is the basic exemption limit for a normal person, you and me? 2 lakh? Next one. Agriculture income should be more than? This 5,000 is a limit which was kept in 2007 year. They kept this. Till then, they did not even change. Now in the new income tax act that is coming in the next 1.5 years after it will come, maybe 2 years after. Okay, that income tax act, they are changing it to 50,000. 5,000 who will not get, yeah? Answer everyone. Old provision, but we have to read like that only. There is no other option. Now they change it to how much? 50,000, but as on today it is 5,000. Okay. For exams, don't unnecessarily show your Vijnana Pradarsana. Don't go there and tell, now 5,000, new income tax act, I know that, there 50,000 is overaction. Okay, as of, I'm just telling you the situation. Now 5,000 is very less amount, I have to agree. But what to do? They did not change it. That's why in the new income tax act, when they are bringing, they made it 5,000 to 50,000. Meaningful it will be. Understood or not? So now tell me, taxpayer should be, to apply SOPI, taxpayer must be individual, HUF, AOP, BOI, AJP, any of them. Next, non-agricultural income ante business income or other incomes should be more than basic exemption limit. This is another condition. And agriculture income should be more than 5,000. If agriculture income is 3,000, agriculture income is, then what will happen? Scheme of partial integration will apply, will not apply? Will not apply. Only non-agriculture will be taxed in a normal way. Non-agriculture income will come taxed in a normal. Normally how you will tax, like that you will tax. SOPI will not apply in that case. Understood everyone? Oh, illa. Did you really understood what I said? Tell me, taxpayer must be individual, HUF, AOP, BOI, AJP. Should not be company, firm, LLP, cooperative society, etc. Any other. Okay? Simply, in easy way, if you wanted to understand, SOPI is applicable only for slab rate batch, not for flat rate batch. If anyone is getting taxed on a flat rate, 30%, already tortured, na? Why you are torturing him again? Leave him. Let him enjoy the benefit of what? Agricultural income. Understood the point clearly? Next issue. That's why. Note 2. SOPI does not apply to firm, company, cooperative society, etc. And not only 3. Society, LLP, all these also will get applied. Example, I have written 3. Understood or not? First write down up to here. Keep the heading. Scheme of partial integration. Mark it extremely important for exam. Completed? So now we are done with the basics of schema of partial integration. Everyone have written the basic exemption limits, huh? So, under the alternate tax regime, basic exemption limit will be 3 lakh irrespective of age. Under the regular tax regime, depending on the taxpayer, the basic exemption limits are dependent on. If the taxpayer is a senior citizen, very senior or other cases, this is the number. And senior, very senior, when I speak, they should be only residents. Non-residents, they don't give the benefit. Understood everyone? Next. SOPI does not apply to a firm, company, cooperative society, etc. Okay? Next. Very, very important. The most important out of all is computation procedure. Okay? First listen, I will explain. After that you write down. Please see the screen once. So this is a computation procedure for scheme of partial integration. What is the computation procedure? Let us understand and give a meaningful vision to this particular area. Please everyone see the screen. First, tell me what and what incomes are there? What and what incomes are there with me? Agricultural and non-agricultural incomes are there. Non-agricultural income exceeded basic exemption limit. Agricultural income exceed 5,000. These are the conditions. I'm talking to you, yeah? Non-agricultural income exceeds basic exemption limit. Next, agricultural income exceeds 5,000. These two important conditions are satisfied. Then how to calculate the scheme of partial integration? Let us see. See the screen. First, calculate net agricultural income. Calculate the as if it is chargeable to tax. Normally agriculture income is taxable or exempted. But as if, when I say as if, assume that agriculture income is also taxed. Assume that. Therefore, when something is taxable, what does it mean? Income minus expenditure will be taxable. Tell me. Income minus expenditure is taxable. I will give you one super example for you to understand. See here. When you are taking good, you should be ready also to experience bad. When you are not accepting good, I can't force you to accept bad. Do you understand? I want good, then you should be ready to accept also bad. You are not ready to take bad, therefore don't ask even for good. Understood the point? Same government also will think this way. Do you know what it will tell? See, let me explain. What does it actually meant to say? Agricultural income. Which one? Agricultural income. You wanted to take exemption? Yes, sir. Then expenditure you spent also I will not give as a deduction. Are you understanding or not? Yes, because anyway income is what? Taxable or exempted? Answer. Exempted. Means you are taking a benefit of exemption for agriculture income or not? Again, I will not give you deductions for expenditure you kept. When income is not taxable, expenditures I will not allow. Do you understand what I said? Yes, tell me, I have only agriculture income 10 lakh. Taxable or not taxable? Not taxable. Loudly. Not taxable. Taxable or not taxable? Not taxable. Okay. To earn this 10 lakh, I spent 5 lakh. I spent how much? 5 lakh. I said 10 lakhs is agricultural income. 10 lakhs is? How much expenditure is there? 5 lakh. I will reduce the 5 lakh. 5 lakh is agriculture income. Even then it is exempted, na? Then why to deduct the expenses? When income is not taxable, you are not listening, you will be gone. Problem if it comes properly. Repetition one more time for those who are not listening. Again I will start. If income is not taxable, expenditure on that exempted income also will not be considered. What I said? Income is not taxable. Expenditure incurred on that exempted income is also not considered. Now, second, if income is taxable. If then expenditure spent to earn this income is also deductible. Is also deductible. I will ask a question, tell me. In my business is sale of laptops, 10 lakh. Sale of laptops, 10 lakh. Okay. This is agricultural or non-agricultural? Huh? Taxable or not taxable? Since income is taxable, purchase will be deductible. 0 rupees I purchased 10 lakh laptops. I might have spent some amount or not. I purchased it for how many lakh? Sold for how many lakh? How much profit I made? This 2 lakhs ki taxation will be given. Did you understand? Means what is the common sense here? What is the common sense that you understand? If income is taxable, expenditure will be allowed as a deduction. Understood? Agriculture income is not taxable. Correct or not? Then deduction will be given or will not be given? But what he is saying in the line number 1, calculate net agricultural income. That's why they use a net agricultural income. Means agricultural income minus any expenses you incur during agriculture. Why? Why we are doing this now? Normally agricultural income is taxable or not taxable? But now we wanted to tax not directly but indirectly. Therefore, calculate net agricultural income as if it is chargeable to tax. As if it is. Next. Then after that, listen. I will explain in an easy way. See. First one, what you have to do is, step 1. Compute net agricultural income. First one, tell me. Compute. Next, add this and this. So tell me, what we need to add? Agricultural income and non-agricultural income we need to. Now tell me, what and what we need to add? One second. Start again. First, what we need to do? Net agricultural income. Okay. Second, what we need to add? And agriculture income and non-agriculture income you need to add. And apply tax on this. Listening or not? Step 1. Net agricultural income. Second step. Agricultural income plus non-agricultural income on that tax. Number 3. Agricultural income plus basic exemption limit into tax. Tell me, what is the next one? Agricultural income plus basic exemption limit into tax. Step 4. Step 2 minus step 3. Step 2 minus this is called as tax on non-agricultural income. That's called as what agricultural income here? Tax on non-agricultural income. That's what the first 3 steps, 4 steps I have written there. Read again. Start. Calculate net agricultural income as if it is chargeable to tax. Second step. Aggregation. Aggregation means adding. Aggregation of agricultural income and non-agricultural income of the assessee and compute tax on that. Okay? Over. Next step. Compute tax on agricultural income plus basic exemption limit. Step 2 minus step 3 will be called as tax on non-agricultural income. From that, we need to adjust 3 things. Number 1, rebate. Number 2, surcharge. Number 3, health and education cess. Health and education. These 2 may come, may not come, but this is compulsory. Rebate may come, may not come. Surcharge may come, may not come. But what 100% will come? Health and education cess at the rate of 4%. At the rate of how much percent? 4%. Lastly, net tax liability equal to step 4 plus step 5. Step 4 plus? First write down this computation. I am not done yet. Just I explained what is the procedure. We have to do numerical problems, then only you will understand what is the real meaning behind this. Do you understand my point or not? First copy down as it is. I will repeat n number of times you want, but copy down in principle. Completed writing up to here? Have you written completed writing? Now listen. Main story will start now. Listen. Writing steps is the most easiest one. See, some questions to be addressed first. Now you tell me slowly, one by one, 2-3 times. If you revise the steps now, you will remember. Then we go into logic of why these steps came like that. Okay? Start one by one. What is the step 1? Net agricultural income. What is the step 2? Tax on agricultural income and non-agricultural income. Next, tax on agricultural income and basic exemption limit. Next, tax on non-agricultural income equal to step 3 minus step 4. Oh, sorry. Correct. Great invention you did. Step 2 minus step 3. Next, adjustments. How many adjustments? 3. If it is there, rebate. If it is there, surcharge. New people, no need to worry. I will tell when it comes. Okay, no worry. Because of that, no understanding will get disturbed. Next, last one. Health and education cess, 4%. Last step is the 6th step. Net tax liability. Net tax. These are all the 6 steps. Tell me, what is the step 1? Net agricultural income. Second, tax on agricultural income and non-agricultural income. Next, tax on agricultural income and basic exemption limit. Next, tax on non-agricultural income, which will be step 2 minus step 3. Next, adjustment. 3 adjustments you have to do. Adjustment minus rebate. First one is a minus rebate. If there is any surcharge, add the surcharge and add the health and education cess at the rate of how much percent? 4%. Final amount is called as what? Net tax liability. Shall we start doing the answers now? Before that, see, it is most important for me now. Now you will tell, I will listen. What is this? Net agricultural? Okay. What do you mean by net here? What do you mean by net here? Loudly everyone, what do you mean by net here? Income minus, that is only one way of understanding. Net has another meaning. That is correct. But another meaning is also there. Tell me, net means what you said? Loudly. Instead of telling like that, I will tell this way. Agriculture income minus agricultural expenditures. Not general income minus general expenditure. We are talking about net agricultural income. Means we will take only what income minus what? Agricultural income minus agricultural expenditure only we will take. Correct? See the screen. What is this? Agricultural income can be of 3 types. A, B, C. You know what is A? Rent on agricultural land. B will be talking about B. Any income. In 3 forms again. One is agriculture, process, sale. Any income out of agriculture, process, sale. C point will be talking about revenue received from building. So building income. Building income in relation to what? Agricultural building. You know, rural agricultural land, all those things. You know the definition or not? This building will be rural building, urban agricultural land building. Rural. What is not a rural is called as? When I call something as an urban agricultural land? Forgot again. Land should belong to an area within the jurisdiction of a municipality whose population is not less than 10,000, or land is not within the municipality but it is 2 kilometers away from the municipality, but the population of that municipality is more than 10,000, not more than 1 lakh. 1 lakh to more than 10 lakhs. If it is 1 to 10, 6 kilometers. More than 10, 8 kilometers. You remember? Yes, that we need to understand. Okay. Now you will use your past common sense and answer, because already I discussed about this in the last class. Today also 2 times I repeated this point. Tell me, what is the first one? Huh? First tell me, what is this income? Agriculture income normally taxable or exempted? When it is exempted, why to bifurcate into 3 parts and try to analyze? Anyway exempted, na? Answer. But why we are doing all this analysis is, partial integration lo we have to consider agricultural income as if it is taxable. When I say as if it is taxable, income tax lo one beauty is there. Whenever you say something is taxable, that should come under 5 heads of income. That should come under? See, I will give you example. Kaushik Mukesh is an employee. Let us say for example. I am a employee. I am not an employee anywhere. Let us assume I am an employee, because I feel becoming an employee under anyone is an insult in my life. So for joke also I will not tell that. Do you understand what I said? I hate working under a person as an employee in life. For joke's sake also I will not tell that. I will not work under anyone. So that's my first principle in life. Never work under someone. Either I will work above you or I will work with you. Never I will work under you. If you behave that I am working under you, next day I will not be there. So, very clear principle in life. Never work under someone. So, joke's sake also, that's why I never take that I am an employee. Sorry, X is an employee. Okay? X is an employee. Let us say for example, X is a employee. When you are not you also don't become employee. Don't become employee under anyone. Why you read professional courses here? To work under someone, huh? So, don't work under someone. Always work with someone. Both of you grow together. No problem. But don't work under someone. With you, they should never exploit your hard work. If you do 1 kg hard work, for that you should receive compensation. Are you listening? Why you read professional courses? To have self-sufficiency, self-employment. Who the hell others are to give employment to you? You should give chance to them. So, point is, there is a person called as X, innocent fellow, working as an employee. Okay. That fellow will be paid some salary every month. What is that salary? What is that salary? Income from salary. I wanted to tax that. To tax something, it should come under heads of income first. Hey, answer. It should come under heads of income. To tax something, first it should come under heads of income. So tell me, there is X. X is a? Hey, X is a? Employer will pay him salary. Yeah? Government wanted to tax. Under which head of income they have to tax? Income from salary. Mr. A, I am there. I have a house property. Purchased out of my own fund. Okay, I have a house property. I gave it on rent. Commercial establishment on rent. Listening? I am receiving rent now. Government wanted to tax my rental income. Some head of income you should follow or not? Which head? Income from house property. Under that head, that income becomes taxable. Clear? I am having a business. I am having a CA profession. I am having business in running the classes online. So all these are business incomes for me. Now tell me, government wanted to tax me. In what head it will tax now? PGBP head it will tax. I have shares. I found that market is growing like anything. I sold my shares. I got money. This is called as, this income also government wanted to tax. Capital gains they will tax. What gains? And my work is to daily buy and sell the shares. No, I am not a dealer. I am an investor. When I found that markets are growing, I sold and got huge profit. This gain is called as what gain? Government wanted to tax. Under which head? Which head? Something which can't come under any of these 4 will go to 5th head. Answer, yeah? Other sources. For example, CA Institute, exams will be conducted na, for you. Who will value the papers? CS, the scene illa. Normal persons will value. Because key will be given. Seeing that they will value. Are you listening? ICA will, for example, I am valuing your answer paper. They will tell 500 rupees per paper. I got 500 papers. 25,000 they have to pay me or not? Who should pay? ICA. Pay to whom? KM. How much they have to pay? 25,000. That 25,000 paid by institute to me is not a salary because I am not your employee. Correct? That's house property illa. Business illa. Capital gain illa. That's why it comes under other sources. Something which can't fall under four heads will automatically fall under. That's why building rent ki house property is there. Building rent, house property head. Vacant land ki, there is no head. That's why fifth head will take that. Understood the point or not? There is no head na, for that. That's why fifth head will tell, I am open to all. Come. It will observe all others which four people did not take. Do you understand the 5 heads of income clearly? Yeah. Now why I am telling this is, tell me, agricultural income is taxable or not taxable? Answer. Sir, anyway agriculture income is not taxable. It is exempted. When something is exempted, whether under head of PGBP, head of IFHP, other sources, why all this nonsense? Anyway it is not listening. Everyone tell me, anyway it is exempted. Taxable or not taxable? Loudly. Not taxable. Anyway it is not taxable. When it is not taxable anyway, whichever head is, what is the relevance? Like that you should not argue. Okay? Sir, a person is about to be killed. Okay? He was given with the chances. Do you want to get killed by bullet shot? Do you want to killed by poison? Do you want to hang yourself and die? Anyway, death is confirmed, na? Way of death is relevant, Yes, relevant. I want a painless death. Hey, answer here, everyone. I don't want unnecessary torture, government torture. Exempted, but exemption without a torture I want. Clear? So therefore, listen carefully. Normally agriculture income is taxable or exempted? Normally agricultural income is taxable or exempted? Normally exempted. However, we are using SOPI. Means what? Scheme of partial integration. If you listen, you can understand. Or else, Tata, goodbye, Gaya. Adi Katham. Nice. Listen carefully. I am repeating 5th time. Same concept. Still some people are giving wrong answers. Normally agricultural income is taxable or exempted? Answer? Exempted. Normally agricultural income is exempted. Taxability will not be there. However, because some people are doing fraud in the name of agricultural income, they wanted to bring into the tax purview. But even then, agricultural income is not taxable. What is only taxable? But at a higher rate they will tax. But what is that higher rate is a discussion here. Clear? For that they brought one concept called as a SOPI. Okay? What it says is, first, net, bad response. Net, I can get agriculture income in 3 ways. Number 1, land. Number 2, sale. Number 3, building. Those 3 are called as a net. Answer, yeah. Normally exempted or taxable? Now I wanted to, as if it is taxable, I wanted. When you say as if it is taxable, building rent is a income or not an income? Income under which head? Loudly. When you are exempting it, expenditure also will not be deductible. But now here what you are doing? You are taxing that. Therefore, what also will be allowed? Expenditures also you will consider and then calculate the net agricultural income. Understood or not, everyone? And how to understand this? Agricultural income can be of how many types? 3 types. Tell me, first one. Land, sale, building. Easy way. Land, sale, building. Okay. Land. Vacant land is there. Which land? Vacant land. Given on rent. Land given on rent. To maintain this land, insects, pests, rats, snakes will go inside that. To remove that, I get the labor to work on weekly basis. For them, I have to pay or not? So, from this income, reduce the expenditure. Done. Next. What is the next one? Answer. Sale of what? Agricultural produce. When you sell, amount will come. But to sell this, there is a cost of cultivation and other things are not. Those will be allowed as a deduction. Expenditure will be allowed as a deduction. Building. Building ki maintenance will be there or not? Even if it is an agricultural farm building, that building require maintenance or not? Hey, whenever you have a building ki municipal taxes you have to pay or not? That who will pay? Our grandfather will come and pay. Now we only should pay. Understood? Since that income is exempted, okay, expenditure will not be considered. But now we are treating it as a taxable income. Therefore, what is also allowed? Income minus expenditure. All these three put together is called as net. Understood the meaning of net or not? Till now, last half an hour, we are discussing about what? Meaning of the word net. That only I said till now. Tell me, what are all the steps? What are all the steps? Ante net. A net, internet. Tell, what are the 5 steps, 6 steps? First one, net agricultural income. Tell me, what do you mean by net agricultural income? Forgot again. Namaste. Tell me, what do you mean by net agricultural income? Agricultural income from how many sources? Number 1, land, sale, building. Normally these 3 are taxable or exempted. When income is exempted, what will be forgotten? But here we are treating as if it is. Therefore, what also will be considered? Expenditure has to be considered. Understood or not, everyone? Expenditure also should be considered. Okay. Now, we will take incomes, we will deduct expenditure. Net is called as what? Net agricultural income. That we have to consider in step 1. But inter-level, they are not asking questions on all these. Directly in the questionnaire, they will tell this is a net agriculture income. Understood what I said? In question, they will tell this is net agriculture income. Means you need not do any other thing. Okay, na? Final level, they are not asking questions like that. They will give data in such a way, you have to calculate net agricultural income on your own. But I will make you to do those questions only in the class. Obvious sadism, na? Why I will ask you to take agriculture income? We will not do. Let us do difficult one only. That we will do next class, not now. Because today's session we will do basic question. Main torture will go to next day. Sorry. Before going into that, please be here for some time. Listen carefully. Point number 1. Step number 1. Don't tell agriculture income. I did not say that way. Net agricultural income. Step 1. Net agriculture income, how many incomes have to come? 3 incomes have to come. 3 incomes, again, what should be deducted? Expenditure. Net agriculture income you need to consider. That is step number 1. Step 2. Tax calculation of aggregate of agriculture income. And if at all, agriculture income is also taxable along with non-agriculture income, how much tax you might have paid, you calculate that. Are you understanding or not? Next step. Tax on agricultural income plus basic exemption limit. Basic exemption means what? If you don't have non-agricultural income, or you have non-agricultural income only to the extent of 2,50,000 with agriculture income together. So we are calculating the 3rd step. Agriculture income plus basic exemption limit into tax again. Tell me, what are the 3 steps? First one is net agricultural income. Step 2, agriculture income plus non-agricultural income and tax. 3rd step, agricultural income plus basic exemption limit and tax. What is the meaning of 3rd step? What is the meaning of 3rd step? Means, I will tell you what is the meaning. You see, X is agricultural, Y is non-agricultural. XY means total. Both abba. Very level. Total income, yeah, both income. Hats off. You are always mind blowing. Now sollaba. Sollu. X is what? Y is what? X plus Y is what? Okay, ma? Total income into tax. Step 2. Total income into step next. X plus 2,50,000 equal to what? X plus 2,50,000. This into tax. Do you know what that this mean? Agricultural income plus non-agricultural income up to basic exemption limit. Are you listening or not? Then you will get non-agricultural income. See, that's why this will come to some, see, this amount, let us call it A1. What is A1? Total income. You are not at all listening. What is A1? Total income into tax. What is A2? Agriculture income plus basic exemption limit into tax will become what? This is really basic exemption limit they may tell, but the intention of law is very clear. Non-agricultural income up to basic exemption limit means, hey, common sense, I will tell 100 times, you will stay 1 kilometer away from that. What is this? Step 3 you tell? Agricultural? Next, basic exemption. You read that 10-15 times. Even then, shall I tell you how you are reading? Agricultural income plus basic exemption limit. Application of mind is 0. Do you know what does it mean? Both are exempted incomes. Up to basic exemption limit, no tax. Agriculture income ki no tax. No tax ka apply tax. Now people are realizing, oh, it is the sketch. What do you mean by basic exemption limit? Up to that amount tax or no tax? Even if it is a non-agriculture income, no tax up to 2,50,000. Both are exempted incomes. Naina Bujji Kanna Chitti, do you understand what I said? Start again. Abba, as if you understood everything, don't get irritated. Start again. Idi mattume you are telling properly. Net agriculture income, very easy. Number 2, tax on agricultural income and non-agricultural income. Step 3, tax on exempted income. This is what he really wanted to tell. If they tell like this, now people can't understand. Correct? Even after elaboration, you are not understanding. That's a different story. Okay. So tax on exempted income. To what extent it is exempted? Agriculture income fully exempt. Up to basic exemption limit, anyway exempt. Tell me. I have non-agricultural income. Repeat. I have 2,40,000. Taxable or not taxable? Normally. That's it. And exempted or not exempted? Agriculture income is already. Now non-agriculture income is also. Calculate tax on exempted amounts. Balance will be the tax on non-agricultural income. That's a sketch of department. So tell me, 2 minus 3. 2 minus? 3. Tell me here. Did you understand the point or not? Yes, see. Hey, listen. What is 2? Okay. Minus 3. Correct? Minus A plus A cancel. Equation also if you don't understand, Yatparam Sri Parameswararpanamastu, close the books and go home. Yeah. Day. use mathematics brain, yeah, common sense. AI plus NAI minus AI minus basic exemption limit minus A plus A cancel. Non-agriculture income anyway up to basic exemption limit taxable or not taxable? A balance taxable. Do you understand the point or not? Some people will just tell yes sir because I will repeat again. Tell again. Some people are now understanding. How is he knowing? Actually, what I did is the same. See there. What is the step 1? The mattame you will tell properly. Second. Hey, see here. Hey, listen. 5 steps, 6 steps. Every person will mug up those steps. But with meaning, only few people will do questions in exam. A few people only my students will be there, obviously, because I am Kaushik. So definitely, doubt 100% only those people only will do. I know how nonsense income tax is getting dealt here. Just they will remember steps and they will go. If that is our intention, we have to have completed already PGBP also. So that's not our intention. You should know why we are doing that. Start again. First one. Next, tax on agriculture income and non-agriculture income. Some amount will come. 3, tax on agricultural income and what is the intention of the government? Agriculture income is exempt. Basic exemption limit means exempt. Calculate tax on exempted portions. Intentionally they are making you to pay the tax or not? Overall what is the formula? AI plus NAI minus of AI means what? Minus AI minus basic exemption limit. Minus AI? The beauty is when you delete minus A and plus AI, anyway agriculture income is not finally considered in taxation. Correct or not? Agriculture income is exempted or not exempted? Exempted. Even now exempted. That's what they are deleted now both. What is left? Non-agricultural. My non-agriculture income is 5 lakh. Non-agriculture income is 5 lakh. Is minus basic exemption limit anyway will be given a slab rates. And the balance only how much will be taxed? 2 lakh 50. That's what you wanted to do. That's all. For this why 5 steps? Since the institute gives 6 steps I have written. But in reality, very, very easy concept. Tell me, what to do? Step number 1, agricultural income, net. Next, agriculture income plus non-agriculture income. Next, agriculture income plus basic exemption limit. Next, 2 minus 3 will be tax on non-agricultural income. Okay, now? Then adjustment, rebate, surcharge, cess. Final tax liability will come. Answer is over. This is what he wanted to convey. Everyone understood the concept clearly, yeah? This is how actually the government wanted to tell. Since people don't want logics, they will remember 6 steps. So, all these 6 steps has nothing to do with. It's an easy concept. And what law actually wanted to convey? They wanted to say, take agriculture income as if it is also taxable. Listening? Calculate tax on exempted incomes minus both of them. Agriculture plus agriculture minus will cancel. Basic non-agriculture income minus basic exemption limit will be, net amount will be taxable. That's what he wanted to tell. Everyone understood the logic clearly, yeah? Okay. Now, agriculture income, how many parts are there? First part, land is taxable under salary, house property, other source, PGBP, capital gain, other source. Very good. That's what I have written here. No. Second one is about sale, process, business. That will be taxable under PGBP. Final one, business, building will be house property. So net agriculture income when you calculate using the heads of income you need to do. Next, read. Composite income shall be treated accordingly. Supra. You know composite income, sir? In my agriculture income, if there is sugar, if there is coffee, if there is tea, if there is rubber, you have to consider in the same way, not? You have to break into 2 parts. Then non-agriculture income ki some percent will get added. Agriculture income ki some part will get added. You know already how to differentiate both of them. Next. Loss incurred in agriculture will be allowed to be set off against gains from agriculture. See, it is important. So there are two concepts. One is set off, another one is carry forward. One is? Second one? I will give you. I am having two agriculture businesses. First business, rice. Second business, say example, Sitafal. Hey, both are agricultural commodities, na? Why I am taking seasonal fruit, I will tell you. Seasonal fruits ki one great advantage is there. Either there will be huge sale or utter flop. Because season will be only for 2-3 months. When Sitafal will come? You know Sitafal fruit, huh? That fruit will come during what season? Winter. So let's continue. See here. Hey, listen. There are two concepts. What I am saying? Now listen. I am having two agricultural businesses or agriculture activities. One is rice, which is not seasonal, every day. Okay? Means consumption is every day. Growing not every day. Consumption every day. Second one is seasonal fruits like Sitafal, etc. Either seasonal fruits, the advantage is either super success it will happen like mangoes. Correct? Or else it will become utter flop. After growing, that much of consumption is not there, means everything will become waste for me. Correct? That's a problem. Agriculture activity, I am having two agriculture activity. Number one, rice. Number two, Sitafal. Two things are there. Okay? In one way, agricultural income came. In another way, agricultural loss came. Listening? Rice business, paddy through rice will come. That I have done. For that I am getting 5 lakh income. Sitafalla I lost to 2 lakh. Means fertilizers, pesticides, land, tilling, all these works I spent amount, but I could not sell that much. Eventually I incurred a agricultural loss. How much? 2 lakh. Tell me, how much is my agriculture income in rice? 5 lakh. Loss in Sitafal? My net agriculture income will be 3 lakhs only. Do you understand what I said? What is set off against what? Agricultural loss is set off against agricultural income only, not against business incomes. Understood or not? Number one. Next. Read. Any state tax on agricultural income is? Union government don't have a right to levy tax on agriculture as per entry list 82. Not state government. State governments can levy tax on agriculture. Who can levy? Who cannot levy? That's why when you are writing in yesterday's class, you can see your notes. Union government is not empowered to levy tax. And the income tax department can't levy tax. State taxes can be levied on agricultural incomes. If there is any state tax imposed, that also you have to deduct. Are you understanding or not? Yes, answer. Yes, listen. Next one. Last year, not this year, last year I have an agricultural income of 2 lakh. This year I have agricultural income only, not loss. That loss also can be adjusted to this income. And then not only loss and income of this year, previous years also you can do that concept, carry forward. So did you understand what I said? Yes, tell me, this year I am having how many businesses? Two agriculture business. One is having a income. Another one is having a loss. This year, income can be set off against loss or not? Yes, loudly? Yes, next, second point. This year, how many businesses I have? Agriculture. 2. All 2 are in profit. All 2 are in? Profit. Last year, loss is there in both. Last year, loss is there in both. Okay. 1 lakh, 2 lakh loss is there. Last year, loss also can be set off against this year income. Did you understand? That's the next one. Read. Unabsorbed loss from agricultural activities will be set off to the agriculture. Do you understand difference between 3 and 5? What is the difference between 3 and 5? What is the difference between 3 and 5? 2, difference between 3 and 5 is 2, what is the difference? Same year set off is 3, carry forward set off is 5. Where you will understand the reality behind this? A separate chapter is there for this, called as set off and carry forward of losses. Understood? There is one chapter separately kept called as set off and carry forward. There we will discuss about the issues regarding the set off. Next. If net result of computation, and all 6 steps when you do, net result of computation is a loss, then SOPI shall be taken as nil. Next. Net agriculture income is rounded off to the multiple of 10. Multiple of 10. For example, you got 63,324. 63,324. Round it off to the next 10 numbers. Understood the point or not? If it is above 5, go to the next 10. If it is below 5, go to the previous 10. 65,324. Then what to take? 65,320. You got 64,326. 64,330. Nearest 10 rupees you should round off. Understood point? This is the logic behind this here. Everybody please answer. Did you understand the computation procedure clearly? Yeah? Not in a normal way. Do you understand the meaning clearly? Tell all the 6 steps. Net agricultural income. Second, tax on agriculture income and non-agricultural income. Next, plus basic exemption limit. Do you know the meaning of that agriculture income and basic exemption limit? What is the meaning? Tax on full exempted income. Okay. Next, 2 minus 3 is tax on non-agricultural income. Tell us the equation, then you will understand easily. AI plus NAI minus AI minus basic exemption limit. Minus AI plus AI cancel. What will be left out? NAI minus basic exemption limit. If NAI is 10 lakh, anyway 2,50,000 is not taxable, balance 8,50,000 will become taxable. Understood or not? That's the idea. Please copy it down. This you have copied? This one? Copy this. This also copied? Notes? Notes only pending. Write down. Have you written the point 1? Have you completed writing, everyone? Okay. So this is the whole concept relating to scheme of partial integration. See here once. Hey, listen. Once the scheme of partial integration concept is understood, we are left out only with one very important concept, which is illustrations on agricultural income and scheme of partial integration. Okay, this we can't do now because in 15-20 minutes these concepts won't get completed. These take a lot of time. Okay, because as of now I have written how many illustrations totally? 5. I have with me totally 12 illustrations. 12 illustrations, so you will understand complete concept relating to agricultural income. Understood? That means no new question can come in exam after doing all the 12. Then after that, 3 very big questions are there. Those questions if you do, then you can confidently tell any question that comes on agriculture income, you will be able to do. This all will take 3 hours time. Okay? Tomorrow's session again we will consider how many hours? 3 hours on agriculture income. Full-fledged, let us complete everything. Then we will start with the next area called as income from house property. Understood? 1 second, listen. Before leaving, before you lift, person will come out of phone. By the time you lift it, okay. Sir, okay. Listen. Hey, listen. Listen. Instances of agricultural and non-agricultural income. See, I will be discussing about 3 concepts today. 4th concept is relating to illustrations. I will discuss in the next class. Okay? Because the 4th one you can see here how big it is. Here it started. I divided that into 3 subparts again. Once we complete all, we will complete this 4th one. 3 things I will complete and leave. Tomorrow's session we are going to complete first target number 1. First we need to complete share of profits from a firm. Are you listening? Yes, next, understanding what is non-agricultural income. What is? What are the instances? People think they are agricultural but they are not agricultural. Those case laws also we will study. 6-7 case laws. Small case law, 2 minutes each. After that we have to do 10 illustrations at least. Then agricultural income concept will get completed. But before going into that, please see the screen once. What is the first one? Fee for grazing. Hey, if you remember, listen, cattle, livestock will come to the agricultural fields, eat food, leaves and other grass. They will give dairy products like milk. Now milk is an agricultural product or not an agricultural commodity? Why milk is not an agricultural commodity? It is not coming out of land. Now I am not discussing about that. Grazing means providing food to the animal. I am not talking about animal now. I am not talking about the cattle. I am talking about food to the cattle. Who should give food to cattle? Land has to give. Because cattle eat grass. Cattle eat leaves. Leaves, grass, all these things are grown from land. My business is growing the grass for cattle food. Growing the grass for cattle food. Okay, na? Now, don't think from the dairy product point of view. Think from the person who is providing the grass. Now tell me. Hello, listening? See, what I will do is, I have 1 acre land. In this 1 acre land, grass I will grow. Okay? Full length grass I will grow. Every 1 week, I will cut the grass. Sell it. Sell it to whom? Cattle owners. Such that they will feed to their cattle. Cattle will give milk. Milk is not an agriculture income. So our discussion is not about this one. Our discussion is about this one. This grass is sold or not? For grazing the cattle. That grass sale is there, na? Is this an agriculture income or not? Yes, it is an agriculture income. The first one. This was held in the case law, CIT versus Tamil Nadu Forest Plantation Corporation case law. Read. Fees collected from examiner, write properly. Don't write fees collected from cattle. Start again. Fees collected from owners of the cattle, normally used for agricultural purposes, allowing them to graze on the forest lands and growing grass simultaneously. Means assessee has taken one forest land where grass will grow. He will take care. Okay. After a particular length, he will cut the grass, give and sell it to the owners of the cattle. Clear? Sell, when I sell the grass, I will get income or not? What is that income? Agricultural income. Next, what is the next one? What is agriculture? What is the next one? Tell me. I have a land. I gave as a rent to a person. I gave rent to a person. From that I will get the income. Is that an agricultural income or not? Yes. Any rent obtained from a land situated in India, used for agricultural purpose, will become agricultural income. Done. Next one. What is the next one? This is important. Yeah, please listen why this is important. See, I received compensation from a insurance company. Compensation from a insurance company for the damage caused to the green leaves in a tea garden. Green leaves in a see here what happened. There is a 100-acre tea garden. 100-acre tea garden is there. Okay, growing tea. You can see in a Munnar hilltop like this, in waterfall approach type they will grow tea. Throughout the mountain there will be. Correct? I insured my entire product. What I have done? Insured. Complete insurance is there. Okay. On a particular month, heavy floods came. 100% damage caused to the leaves. Understood? Now insurance company will pay compensation or not? That compensation received is not taxable. It is 100% agriculture income only, because that compensation is received for agricultural produce directly. Now did you understand the point or not? If the compensation is received for tea, compensation received for not for tea leaf, for the tea, in that case 40% compensation will be taxable, 60% compensation will be treated as agricultural compensation. Do you understand or not? Here in what form it is? You are not seeing there. Here in what form it is? Tea form or leaf form? Leaf means it became tea, not became tea. Operations are carried out or not carried out? It is still on the mountain only. Suddenly floods came, complete destruction, over. Insurance company paid me full compensation. That compensation also will become what income? Agricultural income. That was decided in the case law. CIT versus a Big Gupta Tea Private Limited case law. Understood the point or not? So this is the discussion. Final touch, we will see this in the tomorrow's class. Which concept? Share of profit from a firm. It's a very, very important discussion. Half an hour it will take to understand that first, because so many people don't know this concept. So I need to tell the background first and then we will continue. Clear everyone? Tomorrow by the time of first lunch break we will complete all questions answers also on agriculture income. Post the break we will start with income from house property. Understood the point clearly? Thank you very much. Meet you in the next class.